Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.